Okay, so today I am going to show you how to make a pop-up collage. You will need a base, which I'm going to put to the side because I don't need it right now. Remember, a base is what you're going to glue your collage pieces on that you don't cut or tear. And then you're going to need a piece of white paper. I already started to fold it, but then I realized I should probably show you how I did it. So you want to match up the two corners and then fold it, and then fold it again like this, and then fold it one more time. And this will make you have 8 different sections that are all about the same size. You can see the creases are the lines in the middle, and that will help you know where to start your drawing. So I'm going to do my drawing in rainbow order just because I think that's fun. And we're going to use different lines. So for this one, we're going to use a straight lines that are up and down, or another word for that is vertical. And I'm going to do those. Then my next one, I'm going to use a zigzag. The next rainbow color is going to be orange. Right, so a zigzag are just diagonal lines that you connect together, and I always think of them as like shark's teeth. Right, so if you want to, you can do some more inside. Yours do not need to look like mine. You can do whatever design you want in there. I'm just showing you this. Then I'm going to do a wavy line, or let's say a curly Q or cursive E. And these are just curved lines that are connected together, right? And you can make waves or curly lines or circles, really honestly, whatever you think looks nice. Now I'm going to do a wavy line here. Okay, then let's see here, I'm going to do some more straight lines, but this time they're going to be horizontal. Horizontal is like, if you think about looking off into the beach and where the sun and the sky and the water meets is like the horizon line. Okay. Now I'm going to do another zigzag but closer together. Going super fast, but you are going to go slow and careful. Then I think I'll do some X's. Just because they're fun. And then last, I'm going to do some hearts. Okay. Those are fun. Okay. So then you are going to cut out each of your strips. I find it easier to flip it over so you can see your lines. It's really up to you. I have some pieces already cut just to save us time, but you're going to cut your strips out. Now I'm going to have my base. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can pop up your strips of paper. I'm going to use one of these pink pieces that I made last time. I already made, excuse me, because they're made out of cardstock and they're a little bit stronger. And I'm going to use those other pieces in a second. So you want to make an arch to make it pop up, but you need to make feet first. So by how to make a foot is to fold it this way, do the same thing the other way, and then you can make an arch, right? And then you can glue that down. So you're going to put glue on each of your feet. And then you're going to hold it down for 10 seconds. There we go. All right, another cool thing to make is a circle. So a circle is just two sides attached to each other. So you want to glue it. I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. I'm trying to use this purple glue so you can see where my glue is. All right, I'm going to attach it like that. And then you're going to put glue on. I like to put it where the edge is there so you don't see where the two pieces are attached. Okay, put my circle inside of my arch. How cool is that? All right, another way you can change your paper is by making a zigzag. There's a few different ways, but the easiest way is to fold it in the middle, okay? And then to fold one this way and one this way, and voila, and it makes kind of like an M or a W, however you like. And then you're going to need to fold it down just a little bit because I am going to attach it just like this onto my cool arch. Okay, so I need a little bit of glue on this part where I'm attaching it, and then some on the big foot that's going to be attached to the base. Okay, I'm going to attach it to the base like that. So I can already see that it's starting to look so cool. Okay. Now, another cool thing you can do is called the fish. Now the fish is when you attach the two pieces together like this, and I think it looks like a little tadpole or a fish. So I'm going to put the glue here. Okay. And then I'm going to put some glue on the base. I'm going to stick it right on there. Now, eventually it gets too heavy and you can't add anything else to the top, but it's looking pretty good right now. Okay. And you want to think about like where you're going to put things, right? So another cool thing you can do is if you have a pencil or something kind of skinny, you can wrap it around it. Let's see here. Like that. And when you take it off, it is a cool spiral. So this is gonna be probably the last thing that I can attach on the top. Okay, let's see here, the last thing. And then you can just sort of keep experimenting with where you want to place things, right? So I'm going to put my spiral right there because I just think that's so cool, right? And now I'm just going to start adding either an arch, a zigzag, a circle, a fish, or a spiral all around my pop-up collage. And that is going to give it a really cool, fun look. Okay, so those are just a few ways that you can make the paper pop up, and I can't wait to see what you are going to make at home. All right, I will talk to you next time. Bye.